Hi guys, this car is really annoying me. All I want to do is film it driving along and then donate it back to a charity shop. But every time I take it out to try and run it, something goes wrong. The car itself is infrared control, and I don't have the infrared controller for it. Under the bonnet here, this is the battery pack in the shape of an engine, which is a nice little touch. Plugs in there. But the steering is just a castoring wheel. So when it goes forwards, it goes straight, and when it goes back, it turns. So it's pretty basic, which is a shame because it's a lovely looking car, plenty of detail on it. The back end has got some sort of gearing so that that side can freewheel when it's going in reverse or forwards, whichever way it is. And that's the driven one. So I think that's to help it do the car string turning. But these wheels don't even touch the floor. So when I've been trying to tow it, so I can just tow it along and film it from behind one of my Jeeps, it's just too heavy. This goes off and makes the car disappear off at an angle instead of going straight. And with the motor still in play, it's like a brake. So the other Jeep I've burnt the motor out on, and this one, the wheels are just spinning. It can't grip with that much weight behind it. So I'm going to see what I can do. I'm not sure if those wheels will actually touch the floor if I take that castoring wheel off. And to take it off, I've got to take it apart to get in there. I think I've done a tear down on this one before. So I'll take it apart quickly. They're going to fall out. Nice little touch that they got seat belts. Those are not the right characters to go in there. But yeah, lots of detail in there. Gear lever, handbrake. Yeah, also it's supposed. Well, I won't go through what it's supposed to be. You'll have to look in the video description. There'll be links to the relevant playlist. Not too big. That's too big. I'll speed this up. One of the features of this car is you have to put water in the petrol tank or water tank to actually get it to run. All that does is it makes a connection. So to switch it on, they actually sell it as a water-powered car. Well, that's totally misleading. Is that enough? No, looks like we've got to undo all those other ones as well. I did look at this with the original intention of converting it to proper radio control. But to do that, we'd have to chop a lot of this out to actually make room for proper steering. And that would ruin it. Although, to be honest, I don't suppose it matters if I ruin it. It didn't cost me much. There'd probably just be some collector somewhere who would actually want it in its original condition. Right, that's better. So, front end, we've got the battery leads, switch, LEDs. That's the receiver. Where's the infrared? I'm sure it is infrared. Not seen an infrared receiver. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's... Yeah, I'm not seeing an infrared receiver. I'm sure I'd decided it was infrared controlled. Never mind. At the back here, it actually sends steam out. This is the fuel tank, water tank, just here. And it's got little heater elements there to send steam out the back when it's running. Anyway, my plan is just take that wheel off at the moment. And then see if the wheels touch the ground. Yes, they do. Right. So with that castoring wheel out the way, these wheels do just touch the ground. So we should be able to tow it. But what I also want to do is take a gear out of the gearbox somewhere so that the back wheels freewheel. And then I can tow it along easily. So, can we get to the gearbox easily? This is going to be one of those ones where you can't get the gearbox apart without getting the wheels off. And to get the wheels off, yeah. Those just clip in place. Well, if it's not infrared, then I'm guessing that's 2.4 gigahertz. Either way, I don't have a controller for it. Oh, we might be able to get this off. Might. Move the camera again. Right. Oh, you probably couldn't see what I was doing there. Just got the hubcap off and get the screw out. Get the wheels off. So I just jammed a screwdriver under there. And it came out. They're actually a nice feel to those tyres. We've got to undo all that to get it out as well. Oh, this is a pain. Otherwise all the wires are in the way. Right, so now we can move that. Move that. You have to undo that as well. This is just so I can take a gear out of the gearbox so it freewheels. Well, actually, I can probably do that now anyway, but we'll carry on and finish taking the rest of it apart. So this little bit here is a transformer to power the heater elements that produce the steam. So now we've got the gearbox. And so if I just take a gear out of the gearbox, then it'll freewheel so I can tow the car along for the video. So we're getting a teardown video just so I can, this is this is over the top, isn't it? Right. Gearbox. If I take that one out, and put the rest of it back together again. And the wheels can spin freely. Right. Oh, come on. Just wondering if there's any way I can disconnect all the electrics and leave them out. No, is the short answer. Oh, those are LEDs. Give us red lights. Oh, come on. Whew. That bit comes in later. I'm not going to put all the screws back in because I'm going to have to take it all apart again to restore it to the original. Put that gear back in. Let's give it a quick push. That's a bit better. That actually runs now. So the question is, can we now tow it without wheel spin? So slow start. There we go, we are moving. Yeah, that might work this time. That was a lot of fuss just to tow a car. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.